Welcome back, everybody. Sorry I had to make another video, but as y'all can see, we have a budget of $1,700. Let's sort of say we have some rent that is due. Let's go ahead and do about 50. Add that. Ooh, and as you can see, our budget went down a little bit, 21%. And then let's say we had car issues. We had to buy a car. So that is 2,000. Boom, now we are negative $650 in the hole. But so to say, we didn't buy a car. Anybody delete it. So to say, we just became homeless. No rent. So to say, we got robbed. Didn't get the money from the car. No payday. And we started off with a balance of $0 like before. Thank you for paying attention, and I will see y'all next time.